What's up? This is a Lego MPL. Made it last night. It's a submachine gun. It is from Nazi Zombies. I think it's real. Yeah, it's from the Black Ops Nazi Zombies. If you open up one of the doors, you can find this, and the cost is $1,000, which is pretty good. It should hold about 24 rounds in the mag. So yeah, this does shoot. It's got the mechanism sticking out, but yeah, that's okay. There's the barrel. So that's where the rubber bands are loaded in there. The way that it works is when you pull the trigger, this yellow thing moves, and then the gear will go forward with the rubber band's force. Here's the charging handle. I'm trying to get a rubber band to go on there, but it just breaks. Here's the clip. You just push it in. There's the thing in there. It kind of looks like a Spectra. I don't know. Just tell me what you think this looks like. It has sights right there. And these are the same sights I use for my Glock. Well, it wasn't really a Glock because Dual Desert Eagles told me that it needed to have a smaller body, I guess you could say, and the slide's bigger than the body, so yeah. Here's the brick that I used to shoot with, and then I just use these two rubber bands. That's just a silly band right there. It's a Patrick, and this one's a real rubber band. I do have a red rubber band right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it just bounces the trigger back. So yeah, now I'm going to load it. And this little black peg right here is where you put the rubber bands on. And the brick goes in there. Hold on, let me get the brick in there and then I will shoot it. This is pretty accurate. It can shoot pretty well. It goes pretty far. The rubber bands do not go as far as the brick does, but yeah, not that bad. And this is just a single shot. There. And then you put the clip in. Cock. And then this is the target I made for it. So, let me set it up. Here, let me fix the mag. Sometimes it falls apart. Alright, here we go. Well, didn't exactly hit it, but yeah. So, right, there's the brick, and there's the rubber band. So, yeah. I think, if I get I'm gonna change the Republic gunship thing around. I will do a full tutorial on this if I get 50 subscribers. Full tutorial, everything, piece by piece. So, yeah. Just subscribe if you want to know how to build this. So, yeah. And speaking of Nazi zombies, not today, it was Friday, it was Saturday, yesterday. Me and my friend were playing Nazi zombies on Kenno Der Toten, and we managed to get enough money to open up most of the doors, go outside, open up the gate, go in, and then into the theater, and we managed to turn the power on. And then all these dogs started coming after us. Those things are annoying, so I might be doing a Nazi Zombies video. I don't know yet. And I will be posting some Call of Duty 4 videos, maybe. So, yeah, be expecting those. So, yeah. This is CowJuice11. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.